Is the BMW a fit car? Or is it just my career that is a fit one? Today we are gonna know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are not here. You are not here last week, so you are new here. So go subscribe, hit the subscribe button is here. That's it. Smash the subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to leave this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment your opinions below, guys. Let me tell you a little secret. Come. MrBeast bought the BMW i8.
We'll open up the door real quick, hop in our spaceship.
But he sold it. Why? Today I'm going to be unveiling that secret to you guys. The little dark secret of MrBeast. Yes. So guys, the BMW i8 brought about the hybrid technology. You know, the hybrid technology is the combination of the electric motors and the engine to give it that extra power. Yes, the BMW brought it. You are hearing it on this channel first. Yes, guys. But the BMW stopped production in 2020. There are reasons why that is. So if you want to know, stick around. Don't leave. Stay. Let's go on, guys. And I'm going to compare it with my career. This YouTube channel was created in 2018, July to 24th of July, yeah. But I still have 156 subscribers. No, you can change that. If you subscribe right now, that's a +1 subscribers, and before you know, we are out of 156 subscribers. We are now 157. So do it for me, guys. I love you guys, but let me go and compare. Let's see who has a successful, who failed. Sales figures. Let's talk about sales figures. The BMW sold 20,500 units from 2014 to 2020. That's okay, but not bad. But for a car of such concept that you say this car will sell hundreds of thousands, even millions, yet didn't do well. Now let's come to my career. This channel has been in 156 subs since 2018, guys. But you can help me change that. You know, little things don't begin in one day. Rome wasn't built in a day. So subscribe, guys. Help me build this thing up. Let's go. I see you. That's 1 point for the BMW and 0 for me. Yes. Now, public perception. Actually, the BMW i8 is known for its futuristic looks, its concept looks, because that car is the only car which was made as a concept car. Like, it has the looks of a concept. It was a concept car and was also made into production. But if you check some of the reviews is mixed reactions. People not liking it, people liking it for its looks and its performance, or the push, yet it's just missed. But me, my channel, yes, this is a comment of yes, this is a love comment from this person. Let me quickly give him a heart. Thank you for the positive comment. Keep the comment coming, guys. Keep it coming. Now that's a tie for both of us. Yes, I got positive comments. Yes.
Yes. Boy.
I got a point. And also the BMW has it's missed. It has missed reactions and missed reviews. So that's one point for each of us. Usability issues. Yes. Now let's calm down. Listen to me. Actually, the BMW car is a great car, but one of the reasons why the BMW stopped production and it failed, and I guess the reason MrBeast sold his BMW i8 was usability. When you look at the interior, I'm rolling the clips. Let me stay at this corner and roll the clip right here. When you look at this in the interior of this car, you would see that at the back seat there is no space, not spacious. When you enter into this car, the height to close your door, if you don't have long hands like I do, unfortunately you have issues with it. Coming out of the car is also an issue in this car. So many flaws. I don't know what the BMW thought when they were making this car. They just made it like a fridge for people to just buy it. And talking about the hybrid, the performance of this car has cheap plastic, cheap plastic on it. I did my research, so don't come for me. It has cheap plastic, and the performance, the engine does not give you that push when you enter. You know, when you enter a Lamborghini, even the Gallardo that is old, way old, has that push. That's super futuristic car. But nah, here's a video of MrBeast
The
of
first
in
thing you'll
his car.
notice is
I would
there's
roll
like
the
blue
clips right here
LEDs
and
throughout the whole
also
thing.
at
I
the
can
end
change the
of this
color,
video.
and they look
So
pretty cool. I
you
know
listen
it's
to
push
what he
to
says.
start,
So stick
obviously,
around to the
and then you
end of
turn
this
on the
video.
spaceship.
Now
So
let's
when
talk about the repairability of this car. Repairing this car is an headache. BMW want to behave like Apple. There you can't repair this car, but only give it to BMW to repair this car, this BMW i8. You can't open the trunk, neither can you open the boot. Can't open the bonnet nor the trunk. Because why? I don't know. The engine is hidden. Why? What if I want to just do a simple DIY to my car? They don't want upgrade, they don't want any of that. Bro, why? For this point, I guess I'm usable. At least I make videos for you guys. What do you think? I'm usable more than the BMW i8. So that's 1 point for me. Yes, 0 point to the BMW i8 on its usability. Now at least let the repairability, let them be able to repair their car. On to the next stage, guys. Yes, yes. Round 4. Yes, I have a transformer with me. Round 4, technological impact. I guess I brought the technology. Does that count? The BMW brought about the hybrid technology into the industry, automotive industry. And ever since then, most automotive industry have adapted to this style of production because it actually help give the push to your car. Like, let's take a look at the Tesla Plaid S. Tesla Model S Plaid. Sorry, calm down. Why you so aggressive? Don't type that. Calm down. Yes, the Tesla Model S Plaid. This car is fastest production car from 0 to 60. Yeah, because of the motor. So the BMW brought about motor and engine combined. That's hybrid. If you don't know, yes, it brought about it. And also let's look at its aerodynamics, the aerodynamics of this car, the carbon fiber of this car. Damn, they did well. Talking about this car is futuristic, the looks and everything, they did well actually. I love this car. I love every feature of this car. Now my career. The only thing I have is probably this Lamborghini and this phone. Yes, use the phone I'm filming it. Yes, that's the only thing I have. So if you want to help me upgrade my gear, yeah, support, subscribe, like this video, share, comment to your friends, do everything, guys. Yeah, I guess the BMW won this and I lost this. On to the next round. Round 5, guys. Round 5 is personal achievement. Yes, personal achievement. Actually, the BMW i8, they did well. Having this car sold to 20,500 units, And come on, that's an achievement for the BMW i8, not the BMW. Don't come for me. But they stopped production in 2020, and I am sure, and I hoped they never wanted to stop in 2020, just because maybe the sales was low and people complaining about the reviews about the car and all of that. That's an L for the BMW i8. But for me, yes, I have hope, and I am working relentlessly to build this channel, to shake the internet, to make impact. Yes, you know what I'm saying. I'm not giving up anytime soon. Yes, so I won this round. Hey, I didn't ring it. It wasn't stolen from the BMW i8. I know they sold those, but I'm not giving up. I'm here with you guys, and I'm working relentlessly to build this channel. And now we are here to scoreboard. Actually, who failed harder? And who do you think is the winner? The BMW got 3 points and I got 2 points. Do you agree with this? I comment. Do you agree with me? Or I ringed it? No, I didn't. I think the BMW is a good car, to my opinion. Nice car. But you know, at the end of all video, I actually answered this. Will I buy this car? Or if I have the money, will I buy it? I think I would, just to have this car. This car right now is 70k or 60k dollars used like this, and trust me, I think it's worth it. Yeah, I would love to buy it now. And for me, my YouTube career, I have views, so don't let me give up. I won't give up. No, I won't give up. But support me. Let's make change. Let's we are the new wave of YouTube right now. The new wave. Likes of Logan Paul are gone. The big creators, they are all gone. Now let's take over. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to leave MrBeast video playing right here. But for now,
I guess I'll show you guys the inside.
Don't forget to like,
open up the door
share,
real quick,
and subscribe.
hop in our
Subscribe right
spaceship.
here. Subscribe right here.
The first thing you'll notice is there's like blue LEDs throughout the whole thing. I can change the color, and they look pretty cool at night. It's push to start, obviously, and then you turn on the spaceship. So when it's blue, that means it's in electric. So right now we're in electric. So when we switch it to red, I don't know if you could hear the engine. Now it's in gas, and obviously gas is the fun part. We got the passenger seat, and we even have back seats, which is pretty cool because I actually always have people in my car.